Hello everyone, thanks for watching Whistleout TV. I'm Sherry Riggs. Today I'm going over my first thoughts and impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro. I'll be unboxing it kind of because I've already opened it, but I'm just gonna kind of show you the box, go over the aspects of the phone that I love and the aspects of the phone that I don't love. Looking at you, Dolby Vision HDR, because I'm not totally digging you quite yet. But stay tuned for that and more in today's video. If you haven't yet, don't forget to, my battery's about to run out. Pause. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, turn on those notifications. I come out with new videos every Wednesday and Friday, and I've been doing a live every Monday around 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time if you want to tune in for that. So let's jump right in, except for my phone fell on the ground, so crap, this is gonna be a take 3. Okay, cut. Action. Okay, so the box. I really enjoy the box. I mean, it's simple, pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy, but here's the front. I got the gold one, so the outline of mine is gold. If you get the blue one, it'll be blue. If you get the silver one, it'll be silver, but it's a really thin box, more thin than I think it has been in the past, definitely, because guess what? There's no adapter, there's no headphones, so the box is much, much thinner. But when you open it, here's what it looks like. Pretty straightforward. A nice clean white. It comes with this little gadget that I can never remember the name of, that you can pop out your SIM card in and out. So that's nice. And then of course it comes with a charging cable, just not the adapter. So you get a USB-C to lightning cable, which will help your phone charge a little bit faster, which is nice. Now the only downside here is that if you don't have a USB-C adapter, you will have to buy one, which is unfortunate because the phone itself costs, I mean, upwards of $1,000. Mine cost $1,100 because I got the 128 gigabyte iPhone 12 Pro. So adding another like $20 expense on top of that is kind of annoying, but it's not that big of a deal. And I really like how Apple didn't add in the extra plastic for the adapter and the headphones, because hashtag save the environment. I'm on board with that. Whether or not they actually really are looking to save the environment, or they're just saying that to save money and not put extra things in the box, I don't care. I think it's a smart move. So I got the phone on the 23rd, and so I've had it. Today is that following Wednesday, so I've had it for not quite a week. So the things I'm going over are going to be kind of just first thoughts and impressions, and then on Friday I'm going to dive a lot deeper. But let's just take a little quick look at the phone itself. I really like it. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Gold. So let me just turn it to the side and you can, I love a new screen, no scratches or anything. Look how shiny this gold is on the sides. This, like, what do they say, surgical grade steel or whatever they call it. And then the back is kind of a matte gold, which I'm a pretty big fan of that. It kind of almost is like a rose goldy in the right light. Got the 3 cameras, got the LiDAR sensor. Some people don't like how the cameras are in like a little square back here. I think that's fine. And also let's talk about the notch. I don't care about the notch. Lots of people do. It's not a huge thing for me, but overall, I really like the phone. I like how it holds. I really like how it's square and not rounded like the more recent iPhones have been. So overall, the actual form factor of the phone, I'm a big fan of. It's fun, it's cute, it's trendy, it's Apple. If you follow my channel, you know that I've had the iPhone 10 for quite a while, just 2.5 years, so I was ready for an upgrade. iPhone 10 has 2 cameras, and the actual software of the cameras was pretty straightforward. The software on the cameras for the 12 is almost too advanced for me. There are so many different options that I'm gonna have to take a second and really dive in deep for the cameras. But the one aspect I really love, especially because I'm a huge fan of selfies, is how you can choose how close in or how far away you want to be with the zoom. So you can do like the 0.5, the 1x, the 2x. And if I'm doing a selfie, I'm almost always on the 0.5 because it gets like my whole body and I don't have to hold it so far away. I know that's super vain of me and like a first world problem, but your girl likes selfies. Now, one other aspect of the camera that I was really looking forward to was the Dolby Vision HDR. And as I've been playing around with that and filming things and uploading things to social media, it's a double-edged sword because it looks so crisp on my phone with Dolby Vision. Oh, it looks so good. But then I go and upload to Instagram and this is what I get. I'm putting them side by side. This is the actual video and then the video that pops up on social media. It is just not good at all. Facebook and Twitter are okay, but Instagram cannot seem to fathom how Dolby Vision works or how it needs to work. It's so blown out. Take a look at a bunch of videos I posted this weekend side by side. So at first I thought maybe it was just me that was seeing it on my phone, but then I started getting DM after DM after DM, and people are like, did something happen to your phone? Did you break your phone? Oh my gosh, is everything okay? Like worried. No, I have the newest phone in the market, the newest, best phone you can possibly get, and it looks trash on social media, and I'm really heartbroken about that. Now the good thing here is because Apple's technology is like almost too advanced for what social media can handle right now, I think we're gonna see lots of upgrades and updates coming to these apps like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and Snapchat to be able to accommodate all the new videos that are gonna be being uploaded from all of us iPhone users, especially when the Pro Max comes out next month. I think there's a way for me to change in the settings that I'm not filming in Dolby Vision, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it, and I have the extra space, so I wanna film in the highest quality possible because I'm bougie like that. Okay, so iOS 14 was a big talking point for the new iPhone, and I know iOS 14 came out a little bit before the 12s did, but I still haven't dove into iOS 14 too much yet. That's gonna be another thing I'll go deeper into on Friday's video, but I tried customizing my layout, and the only thing that I have customized so far is this widget for news. So on Friday, I will have like a prettier background. I will have messed around with iOS 14 a little bit more to show you guys kind of the benefits, the pros, the cons, and kind of show the aesthetics that I'm gonna like with the iOS 14 layout. Now, the other thing I wanna mention too is the A14, is it 14? It's A14 Bionic Chip. I think that's definitely what it is. It is so slick. You can just tell the difference in how quickly the phone is working and operating compared to my iPhone 10, which was, I didn't realize how slow it was until I started using the iPhone 12 Pro, how slick it is. So I'm really obsessed with the new quality of the software and the quality of the phone in general right now. Along with buying the 12 Pro, I also bought AppleCare because this is like really embarrassing, but I am not nice to my technology. You'd think that me being a tech YouTuber would be like super kind to my tech and super gentle and soft and want it to last forever. And I obviously do want it to last forever, but I am just the biggest klutz in the world. I have butterfingers, I drop everything. So let me just give you a quick little peekaboo at what damage I did to my iPhone 10. This is my last screen protector. Can you see all of the cracks on here? Are you kidding me? But you can see all of these cracks and how bad of shape it really is in. Like, this is pretty gnarly. So I knew I needed to invest in AppleCare. So I bought $200 AppleCare, I think, for 2 years. And then what I also did is I traded in my iPhone 10. And because I had insurance on my iPhone 10 as well, they fixed it all up with my deductible, which was like 70 bucks. And I got the full $250 trade-in value. So basically my trade-in covered the cost of my insurance and also covered the cost of a new a new screensaver, which I got from Apple. It's Belkin. And all I need to do really is just register my screensaver and or screen protector, and then I'll be good to go when this screen breaks, because without a doubt, I know it will break. So altogether, my total cost of the phone, my insurance, and my screensaver, it came out to about $13.50, which is a huge chunk of cash. Like almost a disgusting chunk of cash, but I know I'm gonna have this phone for at least 2.5 years, so that's worth it to me. And it's worth it for me to spend the extra money on AppleCare because I'm gonna break my phone. And it's worth it to spend money on a screen protector because I'm gonna break my screen. Now, if you are looking for deals on the iPhone 12, you don't wanna buy it outright and you're not looking to trade in your phone or anything like that, we have gathered all the best deals from all the carriers. So if you want a really good deal, if you're looking to switch or you're looking to add a new line, carriers always have amazing deals for customers like you, and I'm putting those in the description below so you can check those out. I think that's it for my video today, and like I've said too many times, I will be doing a more in-depth video on Friday about all of these different features so you can get a better idea of what the iPhone 12 is about. And I want to hear from you. What do you want me to test out? What features are you looking forward to the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Sherry Riggs. Thanks for watching Whistleout TV.